Flamingo Ridge Farm is located near Gaston, Oregon, about 5 miles out of town. The farm is situated in the northern part of the Willamette Valley. We're best known for growing a variety of tomato called Oregon Star tomato. It's a seedless, low-acid tomato.
These tomatoes are really unique in that they are great for slicing and for salads and for your mozzarella, basil dishes and all of that. And the other thing is when you cook with them, you don't have to scald them or peel them. They just turn into this wonderful sauce. So when I'm canning, I never ever peel a tomato. You know, you can make tomato paste, tomato sauce with just a lot less work. They also freeze incredibly well, and all winter long, if you have freezer space, you can just throw them in a soup or a chili or anything like that.
It has many uses, the Oregon Star tomato. It's highly regarded and it has just been a winner from the start.